I am a coat type of girl. Let's start there.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in heaven, strong, till I can't take a shot.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Shantae, and on this channel we focus on beauty, fashion, lifestyle. And today's video is going to be about this coat that I got, and I'm super excited about it, guys. Like, I've been searching for a coat for so long, a coat of this color actually, for so long, and it's been actually really difficult. So yeah, let's talk about it. Stick around and let's get into it. So I'm just gonna give you guys a backstory. I am a coat type of girl. Let's start there. I love coats. I feel like if your outfit looks good and your coat doesn't, it's kind of like a waste of time. Am I not right? So yeah, so I was looking for the perfect coat. Like, I already got a black one which I really like. It's from H&M. It's like a really long coat. I'm actually into really long coats, so I just feel like if you're gonna go the coat route, a long one is like always the best choice. And then on top of that, I like coats that are structured, and when I say structured, I mean like belted coats, because I feel like a lot of these coats can just swallow you up. So I always like a good belted coat. So I got this belted coat from H&M, and it's in black, and I attempted to get the same coat in a beige color, but I just feel like beige in coats, beige, tan, any of that type of color in coats, it's like the hardest thing to get. And if you find one that you actually like, you're gonna be paying at least $200–300 for a beige coat. And to be honest, the one that H&M had, it was literally under $100, so I thought that was a steal. I was ready to get it, but as I said, they keep grabbing these things. So anyways, I was actually really determined to find a beige coat, a beige belted coat. Like, I need to be specific about that, a beige belted coat. But at the same time, I did not want to pay $200–300. Like, there's so many things that you would invest $200–300 in, and I wouldn't necessarily say that I would invest $200–300 in like a coat. Maybe I would. I guess it depends. But I just felt like you can get coats for less. It's not like it's impossible. Like, you can get coats for less. So I feel like if you can get coats for less, why not? So anyways, I was on the hunt for a beige coat, and I saw one on Zara, I saw one on Mango, and as I said, I saw one on H&M. So we just gonna cross the one on H&M out, because that didn't work out. So I moved on to Zara, and this coat, I'll insert a picture so you guys can see what coat I'm talking about. I actually went in the store and I tried it on, and I think this coat was probably around like $220 something. Yeah, around that price. And it had like a little fur thing. Like, I really didn't care for the fur, but the fact that it could come off, I didn't mind. So I was gonna get that coat, but then I went in the store and I tried it on. I tried the small didn't fit. I tried the medium didn't fit, and I was just like, there's no way I'm gonna try the large. Like, what's the point? And even so, if the large did fit, I would have to size up again, meaning going to the extra large, because I need a little wiggle room. So I was just like, okay, I'm not spending $220 something just to go like 3 sizes up and still need wiggle room. So I crossed that out of the whole box, and then I went to Mango. But I honestly wasn't really feeling the one at Mango. I think it wasn't belted. I think that was the issue. The issue was that it wasn't belted, and I needed a belted coat. So I was just like, all right, well, that's 3 boxes that are just crossed out. So I actually went online and I was just like, beige coat. Like, I just typed in beige belted coats, and I stumbled upon a particular website that I wasn't really familiar with. Like, I've seen it around, but I wasn't really familiar with it. So I was just like, okay, whatever. So I clicked on it and I started scrolling, and their prices weren't really bad, so I was just like, okay, this is interesting. So I scrolled and I saw this coat, and I was honestly in disbelief. Like, the coat looked really nice, and I was just like, there has to be a catch, because you know how sometimes they'll show you a certain picture and you'll think that that's what you're getting, but when you get it, something's off. Well, I bought the coat, and I'm just gonna show you guys the coat. I'm sorry that it took so long for me to show you guys the coat. I just felt like I needed to give you guys a backstory, but I'm gonna show you the coat right now, so give me 1 second. Okay guys, I'm back. So the website that I don't know if I mentioned the website, but the website that I did go on was Naked. Yeah, so I received this package yesterday, and guys, I just had to make like a full video on this. I tried the coat on and everything, and I loved it. You guys might not feel the same, but I'm still gonna show you guys. So hold on, I'm gonna actually maybe try it on this side so you guys can see it. But it's actually really big, guys. I didn't expect it to be this big and like this thick and this full, but this is basically what it looks like. And it might look like nothing right now because I didn't try it on, but I don't know if you guys can see the color. This is the color. This is what it looks like. And guys, this coat, it checked all the boxes. It's beige, 1. 2, it's belted. 3, it's thick, and it's actually made with like 30% wool, which is a plus, because honestly I wasn't really looking for any type of like wool blended coat. I was just looking for a coat that would look really nice. So I felt like the fact that it's like 30% wool was just icing on the cake. And guys, when I tried this coat, like it was actually a little big. They did say to size down on the website, which I did, but it's slightly a little big, which I don't mind, because honestly chunky coats are in too, like oversized coats are in. So I feel like I could do both. I could do like the cinched waist, and I could also wear it like just as is, which is just perfect to me, guys. And honestly guys, I did not know much about this website, but best believe I will be checking out some more of their items, and I might do a haul maybe further down in the year. Well, actually this year is coming to an end, so maybe early next year, because I am shook. Okay, like this is, I was just expecting the jacket not to work. Like I was honestly expecting something to be wrong with it, and me being ready to just send it back, because I went through so many coats and so many disappointments, and I was just kind of like ready for this one. Like I feel like even if you have one decent coat in your closet, that is enough. Like, or at least 2, like maybe a black one and then a beige one, because I feel like black goes with, you know, the darker tones, and then beige goes with like, you know, the lighter tones, and I feel like you could mix match and do all of that. So I feel like having a beige coat and also a black coat, it's just good, especially if you're starting out and you don't want to do too much. Definitely start out with a black and a beige coat, and then just go from there. Also, I think there's like a discount code for first time shoppers on Naked. You could use my my name. I'll link it down below so you guys can see that. But yeah, I guess you could use my name, my full name. I didn't set that up, by the way. I usually don't use my full name in anything, and if I knew they were gonna give me a code, I would have probably switched it, so it's not my full name. But yeah, so I'm gonna link my name down below so you guys could use that on your first purchase. And yeah guys, that is all I have for you guys today, and until next time, bye.